Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a coupon code in Shopify step by step. So coupon codes are a simple way to offer discounts, encouraging more purchases and give customers an extra reason to shop from your store. So to get started, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left, click discounts. So this is where you can create and manage the different promotions available on your store. And once you're in the discount section, click create a discount, and then Shopify then show you the available discount types, including amount of products, buy X, get Y, amount of order, and free shipping. Choose the option that best matches the promotion you want to create. Next, choose discount code as the method. So this means customers will need to enter a specific code during a checkout to receive the discount. You can create your own coupon code or let Shopify generate one for you. After that, set up the details of your discount and then enter the discount amount. Choose any usage limits and set the start and dates if needed. You can also add conditions such as minimum purchase amount or limiting the discount to certain products. And once everything is filled in, review the settings to make sure all the details are correct, then click save. Your coupon code is now created and ready to use on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.